Hi everyone. So today we're going to make homemade lava lamps. So this is going to need permission. So there's going to be a few things we're going to need. We're going to need a plastic bottle. Miss Cloutier's got two because we're going to try this out. We're going to need some Alka-Seltzers. That's going to help. You'll see at the end. We're going to need some water. We're going to need some vegetable oil. We're also going to need some different food coloring. Miss Cloutier's got pink and she's also got green. And just for some fun, Miss Cloutier's got some sparkles. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour the water into our empty jug containers. Now we're not going to pour it all the way. We're going to pour it to just about here. So here we go. If you guys can see, she didn't pour it all the way. She just poured it a little bit. Now she's going to do this one too. Same amount. Just a little bit. Now she's going to add her food coloring into her jug. So for this one, we're going to use green. I'm just going to use about 4 or 5 drops is good. And this one we're going to use our red. Again, about 4 or 5 drops. So now Miss Cloutier is going to add our sparkles. Because we're using water and oil and sparkles, we need to make sure that we have permission to use this. So there we go. She's added some sparkles in there. And she's going to add some more sparkles in there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to shake up our water and our sparkles. Shake it up so everybody can kind of see that. Now we're going to use our oil. So with our oil, we're going to pour it all the way to the top. So, and if you can see, the oil and the water will separate. Go. So we have water down here, and then you have the oil that Miss Cloutier just poured. She'll do the same thing for the red one. Now everybody, this is where the fun happens. So Miss Cloutier is going to move her camera a little bit closer so everybody can see how this goes. So if you can see, there's our bottles with our sparkles and our water. Now Miss Cloutier is going to take the Alka-Seltzer. She's going to take 1 tablet per bottle. So this is what the tablet looks like. She's going to break it up to just about a couple small spots. She's going to take the other tablet, the other one, and again, she's going to break it up into just maybe four things, four pieces. There we go. We got to make sure we have our caps ready because when we put the Alka-Seltzer in, it might overflow. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the green one in. We're going to cap it right away. And we're going to let it sit there. And I don't know if everybody can see it. Again, we'll move it a little closer. But if you can see, it's starting to bubble. And it looks very nice. Miss Cloutier can stare at this forever and how pretty everything looks. Now we're going to do the same thing for the red one. And we're going to put the cap on too. And if you can see the way the red one looks, we'll just let it play for a few minutes so you guys can watch this. Isn't that just beautiful? Miss Cloutier loves this experiment. We can sit here and stare at this for hours. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.